All right, so I got it all unplugged. Most of these are just plugs. You just pull them apart. This neutral wire here, this neutral wire was screwed in here. That is a 10 millimeter nut. Of course, nothing would match. Everything, they have to make it different. But I guess it makes sense. So when you put it all together, you don't put the wrong nuts on the wrong bolts, the wrong bolts on the wrong nuts. I'm gonna open this panel. I'm gonna open it right here and put it on the kitchen table. I'm gonna open it and open the new one. I'm gonna see why this one has two. The old one has two whites going to the motor, and the new one has one white. Alrighty.